In this video, I decided to list the top 5 best portable keyboard piano 2021. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on the price, quality, durability, performance and much. Let's get started. Brandtech, select your best brand. Best 5 portable keyboard piano in 2021. The number 1 portable keyboard piano is Roland FP30. Keyboard mode: whole, dual, volume balance adjustable, twin piano, split point adjustable, volume balance adjustable, tones, piano, 6 tones, e-piano, 7 tones, other, 22 tones. Pedals, accessory pedal, damper, music production partner, supernatural piano sound, MIDI format, conforms to GM2, GS, max, polyphony, 128 voices, controls, rhythm select, start stop, tempo, Bluetooth, MIDI, turning music sheet, Bluetooth Ver 4. The number 2 product is Yamaha PSR300. The wide 76-note touch-sensitive keyboard allows maximum dynamic expression. The PSR300 features a comprehensive library of 574 instrument voices, touch-sensitive dynamic keys, a wider range of possibilities. Play along with your favorite songs. Premium instrument sounds. Free downloadable song book. Real-time backing band tracks. Jacks and ports. Headphone jack. Sustain pedal jack. In stereo mini jack pedal jack. Yamaha PSR300 76 key keyboard bundle. The PSR300 features a comprehensive library of 574 instrument voices. Sustain pedal jack. Styles provide real-time band backing tracks based on the chords you play. The number 3 portable keyboard piano is ASUS A61. Professional touch and sound. Compact and simple. USB MIDI connectivity. 8 built-in voices. Additional connectivity ports. Performance on the go. 2 months of unlimited live classes from Take Lessons. Comfort of your own living room. 61-key digital piano with full-sized keys. The sleek, elegant design of the ASUS A61 is both eye-catching and practical for players. It is the perfect setup for piano mobility. The functional design with only a few buttons allows users to easily choose from one of the onboard sound samples and start playing within seconds. The number 4 keyboard piano is Casio SA46 portable keyboard. It has 32 mini keys, 8-note polyphony, 50 play-along tracks, 5 drum pads. More than just a toy, ultimately small children will have lots of fun playing the 32 keys right from the start. The SA46 mini keyboard comes with a new sound source and 8-note polyphony. It includes 100 timbres and 50 rhythms. This is also revealed by the LC display. The SA46 is a serious playmate. Another highlight is the simple changeover switch. The SA46 mini keyboard comes with a new sound source and 8-note polyphony. The SA46 for switching between the piano and organ sound. The instrument has a cool retro design which combines bright green and the number 5 portable keyboard piano is Kid's 61 key. 1x portable keyboard piano. 1x power cable. 1x power supply. 1x microphone. Each keyboard includes a power adapter and auxiliary cable. Help your kids play piano and improve their intelligence. Portable electric keyboard piano with USB power and battery supply. Wonderful music intelligence toys to develop children's brain development. Each electric keyboard includes 128 timbres. Piano electronic music keyboard offers endless versatility to develop. Sharpen skills great for beginners and students 1 to 10 years old kids. The microphone without amplification function. 16 tones, 8 percussions, 10 rhythms, 6 demos.